family and friends. I am going to make an apple streusel cheesecake. And I started with the Betty Crocker oatmeal cookie mix, but they didn't have just oatmeal cookie mix. So it had chocolate chips in it. So I had to fish them all out. But now that I got that done, I've got just the cookie mix and the butter. And I'm just going to cut it in till it's all nice and crumbly. I guess it would help if I had some light. That better. Anyway, I made this for Easter and it was a hit. Everybody really liked it. So I thought, okay, I guess I should record this and share it with everybody because I like to share my recipes. You know, why not let everybody enjoy? So let me take a cup and a half out of here. That looks like about a cup and a half. Okay, now let me get my dish. And I'm going to spread this in the bottom of it. And spread it out as evenly as possible. And I just pack it down a little bit here. And I'm going to put this in an oven at 350 and I'm going to bake it for about 10 minutes. Recipe. In here I've got 2 blocks of 8 ounces of cream cheese. To that, I am going to add 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Let me get this mixing. And because this is a light mixture, I'm going to use my Watkins clear vanilla. And like I shared with you before, I am generous on my vanilla. So it calls for 1 teaspoon. Mine's probably like 1.5 teaspoons to 3/4. I'm going to let this mix up really good. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to take globs and just put it in here and then I'll spread it around. And then just very carefully, just spread it out to the edges. Filling, and I'm using the country. You can use any apple pie filling. Actually, you can use any filling you want if you like apricot or strawberry or boysenberry or whatever you want. But I'm using apple. And to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And if you're not a big cinnamon lover, you can cut it down to a half a teaspoon. It's just going to enhance the flavor of the apples. So I'm just going to mix this up real good. Get everything coated really well. Get it in all that juice. Okay, now what I'm going to do is bring my cream cheese over here. And we're going to place the apples across the top. I just want like the single layer of apple. So when you cut into it, everybody gets a little bit of apple. You could probably use 2 cans if you wanted to of your pie filling. Give you a nice thick layer. Okay. Last step is to take your leftover crumble and just sprinkle it all on top. Be sure and get your edges, your corners really good. Okay, now I'm going to pop it back into the oven, and I'm going to bake it at 350 for 30, I'm going to go 45 minutes.
So if you make this recipe, we hope you share it and post it in the comments section. And until next time, make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.